They got the South looking bad now, man. Stan G
Read that.
got to bring it back.
Wait. He said I didn't know I was working with it, right?
Yeah, why we
What that
asking about the
say?
price? Why you asking about the
What
price,
that
bro?
say?
Come on,
Jay
son.
Prince is
Yeah,
fugazi.
Fuck
I,
out of here, nigga.
he asking about the
Now I'm gonna
price.
put the shit up. I'm gonna go
You playing
screen
with
record it
fire,
all.
Wack. You playing with fire.
Who playing with fire?
Who said that dumb shit?
Who
You
said
playing
that
with
dumbass
fire,
shit?
Wack. Jay Prince is somebody to play with.
Man,
Who
I
the
don't give
fuck
a fuck
is
about no
that?
Jay Prince, nigga. Talking about,
Weird.
nigga, what you talking about, nigga?
That mob
Yo,
top shit for
yo,
real.
Mob
this
ties,
nigga,
that's the mob tie. You talking about the shit that Drake and Meek Mills and all them gangsters.
yo, this shit gonna be uploaded anyway. Y'all
Special
can
King,
pull
you
up the
sound like
audio,
a
man. Just
groupie,
to
nigga.
entertain the vibe.
Fuck
My
out of here,
parents
man.
is
Ain't
telling me
nobody.
to eat a
Lying.
dick, bro.
Hold
This
on,
nigga whack.
wait. What he say?
Somebody
He
playing.
say he
Bring
say
King
he didn't
Yo
know
up.
I was working with it, right?
He said you never mentioned it.
Okay, then why would
Why
you
he
what that say right
asking
there?
about a price though, bro? Come on. Why you
You
asking
see
about
what I
a price?
responded to it, right?
Jay Prince ain't
I
nobody.
ain't gonna lie though, Wack. They do got GD Folk Nation though. Them
Man, I
folks, they
don't.
don't pay
Hey,
no
Yeah,
bro,
attention.
listen,
well,
bro,
We
listen.
don't care about
I
none
don't
of
know if
that.
you understand, bro. Everybody part of their movement. Nigga ain't feared death since you started doing this. It ain't gonna be nothing but what it's gonna be.
Power.
Exactly.
Man, y'all
We ain't worried
boosting
Fuck
about
you
none of
mean?
that.
powerhouses,
Niggas
Wack.
make it hard for
Y'all,
niggas come to
nobody
LA
Yo,
like
finna
they
do
try to make
it.
it hard
yo,
for other places.
he
But
said
now,
something
let
about
me find
he
the
don't fuck with
contract. Maybe
people.
I just need to put the contract up. Yeah,
Yeah,
how
I don't
about
know if
that?
he was referring to Whack or Shorty. He was like, I don't fuck with nobody that kisses rats in the mouth. I don't know who he was referring to in that one in the audio.
Man, we don't give a fuck
Oh,
about none of that shit. Ain't
I don't
nobody
know
worried
nothing
about
about
none of
Hey,
kissing
that
no
dude,
shit.
man,
rat
shut
no
the
mouth.
fuck up. That's what we
Okay,
talking
this
about
whack
right
got
now,
me
bro.
turned up, for.
I don't know nothing about kissing
Play
no
the
rat in the mouth.
audio, man. Yo, y'all should hear it, man.
Where
It's gonna be uploaded.
So if it's one thing this whack dude is telling the truth about, is that I don't fuck with him. When I was in LA talking to this lying ass nigga, never once did he take the position he was partners in the theft of the Hoover families like he's doing on that rehearsed conversation with them clowns. Now, what he is not telling the truth about is why. So listen up. There's a woman by the name of Karen Chapman that was entrusted by the Hoover family to interview Larry Hoover with the understanding of bringing the interview back to the family. She decided to run off with the interview and a fake fraud contract claiming Larry Hoover signed all his rights away for nothing. Larry Hoover is far from being a dummy, so for Wack and Karen to be taking a position on disrespecting the Hoover family by attempting to sell Larry Hoover likeness without the family permission is a mistake for whomever considering buying it. I've been around a long time and I know when someone is trying to set me up with police conversations. So I won't lip wrestle with you cake ass niggas on Clubhouse. But I tell you what, I don't know if you were violated on the block or what, but all that snake jealousy and hate shit you have in your heart, niggas, bring that shit to Dr.
Man,
Prince,
shut your bitch ass
and I'm
up.
gonna cure you of that disease. Let me say this to the homies in LA and around the world. All money is not good money. And a nigga that will kiss a rat in the mouth for any amount of money is capable of anything, like sending you on a suicide mission to laugh at you. Read the wisdom between the lines and don't follow this clown off a cliff. It's no secret that I alone.
Nah, he called y'all
Fuck your
clowns and
family.
everything, man. What wrong
yo,
with that,
listen,
man?
And
he ain't
shut
called
up.
him. Listen,
Shut the
yo,
fuck
listen.
up.
First of all, this was funny, right? First he come out here and he must have forgot, nigga. We even did a contract, you weirdo. You forgot? I got the contract, nigga, when you wanted the clips for the Kanye West shit. So what I'm saying is this. I'm glad you said that because you talking about you donated a lot of that money. You spent $12,000 to 12 organizations out of all that money made at that motherfucking Larry Hoover shit that you did in LA that had nothing to do. What you do for Larry Hoover? Where the money go? Start with that. Secondly, nigga, you did a contract with me for 2 of the clips so you can put in a promo fucking ad for the concert. You forgot I got the contract? I got the whole text thread. Yo, Wack, put the contract in this name. Yo, Wack, change the name, put it in this name. Also got my information where I talked to Larry Jr., and he said you never showed him the clips. So I got my text thread of me sending the clips to him,
But you're the bozo though.
right? Like, what do
Yo,
you
Wack.
mean
So,
that
yo, Wack.
this
How is
lady
Shorty
was
is?
contracted? I challenge you, Jay Prince. Show me a document that shows Miss Wendy, was Larry Hoover's lovely wife, contracted Karen Chapman to go do anything. Because I damn sure got the contracts between Karen and Larry Hoover. Where's that contract where they contracted her and paid her for her services? I challenge you, little man, little Elfkin, Papa
Shit,
Smurf.
shit.
I challenge you, since we throwing the lie word around, provide the contract that shows that they contracted Karen to go do anything. Cause I damn sure got the contract between Karen and Mr. Hoop. Oh,
So, Wack.
I'm
Shorty
waiting.
was working with you. The contract that she has with Mr. Hoover.
I got
You
it.
were involved in that. You were
No, this
involved.
shit was 19. He was